Stay in rhythm, just kick a little bigger. That's all. Really good with your hands today. Very good. Good. Now, that's right. Stay in that rhythm, but kick your leg off bigger and let it bounce. There you go. Feel the hind leg jump under you? Really good. That's right. It's only your lower leg that kicks bigger, because your thigh and your feet have to stay undisturbed. Good with your hands, watch your right wrist doesn't curl. Yep. That's it. Super. Excellent. Do it again. Ah, you have to have the half halt on. So it's not just on long straight lines. Could be anywhere. Yeah. Right half halt release and kick them on. And then right half halt release, kick them on. Your leg stays right at the girth, not behind it.
Which one's the mine?
The right one. Keep it right at the... That's better. That was much better. And go. Yes. And he says, but now we're doing a long diagonal. You're going to come to the pole. Good girl. That's right. Good.
Drifting diagonal.
Yeah. That's right. Keep them on a little inside track. Go. Right half halt. Let go. Good girl. Flex right. Let's go. Let go. Kick. That's it. Now, I want you to start to take him back between those forwards. Take him back to very slow trot, very tiny trot. Keep the frame the same, take him there with your body. And your legs come off. Yeah? If he makes a mistake, correct him, but don't know with not so much pressure. Tiny correction, big correction if he doesn't take the tiny one. Go. Good girl. That's okay. Now back, 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 further. Further, no pushing, no pushing, good. Now bigger, active leg, yes. Now back. Now bigger, straight, now bigger. Kick, you're squeezing. Good girl. Now small, small, smaller, smaller, yes. Now bigger, big leg. That was okay on your part, big leg. That a girl. Back. Small. Smaller. Yes. Now bigger. Open your leg. Kick it off. That's a half halt. Good girl. Kick it on again. That's right. Half halt. Good. And bigger again. Right where you didn't expect it. Finish that.